Alright, next step, I have my side pieces, I have the brackets attached. Now I'm going to attach the ends into the side here. If they don't fit in, you can trim them down with snips or you can use a belt sander. Attaching the sides in, I'm going to use the hole punch here. I'm not going to go crazy with the pop rivets. I'm going to do 2 on each side. I'm going to punch the holes in the flanges first. Alright, 2 each side. Now I'm going to mark through the holes. When I do that, I want to make sure I squeeze the sides in so that they're lined up where I want them. One, 2. Make sure it's reaching. Alright, to make it easier to line these up when I punch the holes, I'm going to use a punch. And a little hammer. I'm not going to hit it hard. What I'm going to do is tap it to make a little divot, which makes it easier lining up the hole punch. Now it should be easier. Punching the holes. Now, I'm going to take a guess and say that hole is going to line up perfectly. But I'm going to get roots in the ones that do, and then I can just drill through the holes that don't line up. Move it around. another. Sometimes you just gotta wiggle around a little bit. There you go, through both. Alright, a couple of these are a little bit off. So I'm going to get a drill. Nope, wrong one. This also makes it a little bit easier for getting the pop rivets in. So I'm just going to make life a little bit easier on myself. Around. Make sure they're close. Yep, now they go in nice and easy. For these bottoms, I'm just making sure I press in on the side panel so it pulls it nice and tight. What you don't want to do is have this not be through both pieces of metal and expand. It's not a huge deal. You just then have to drill it out and put a new one in. Alright, I'm going to pause here. Putting in the other side is exactly the same. So I'll cut this video a little bit short. And the next one, I'll show you laying out the parts for the tray.